We are going to do a walkthrough of an Ayen SKB-50 vertical horizontal boring machine. The SKB-50 has a reputation of being the most accurate non-CNC boring machine ever built, and it also boasts the quickest changeover times. There are a total of 50 spindles on a swivel head. The mesh gate pneumatically releases the headlock to allow tooling changeovers in seconds. There are two pneumatic side locks to go from vertical to horizontal, and a pneumatic twist knob on the front of the control panel that you turn clockwise to lean into the horizontal boring position. The top red tab on the right side of the foot pedal engages a rear fence. This is also a good time to see those 4 pneumatic hold downs in action. A single tap on the left side of the foot pedal cycles the machine. Simply twist the front pneumatic control knob to go from horizontal to vertical counterclockwise. The front fences are also used as a back fence for a combined 9 foot 4 inches. Adding the extensions, you will be at 15 feet 10 inches. Included with this machine is an angle finder. There are a total of 6 flip stops with this machine. You also have 2 pin sets for boring extended lengths. The original grease gun is also present. There are 50 collets for non-threaded tooling. And finally, a manual is included with this machine.